Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $6,700, Deforest, Wisconsin. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a true survivor with only 23,402 original miles. Garage kept for most of its life, it presents in excellent cosmetic and mechanical condition. Equipped with a powerful 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it delivers a smooth, classic American coupe experience. The red paint shines beautifully, and the clean title adds peace of mind. A wonderful example of late 1970s personal luxury coupes, ready for cruising or collecting. Number 2, 1978 Datsun B210 Notchback, 3700s, Nogales, Arizona. This rare 1978 Datsun B210 Notchback, not the usual hatchback, is a hard-to-find compact classic. It runs and drives, but needs a tune-up and interior updates. With a 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it offers great potential as a budget-friendly vintage project. The orange paint and Koenig wheels add flair, though a few parts like wiper arms and interior panels are missing. A solid base for a retro Japanese car build. Number 3, 1978 Chevrolet Malibu with 454 swap, $10,000, Tucson, Arizona. A true muscle machine, this 1978 Chevrolet Malibu features a built 4th generation 454 big block V8 and Hughes Turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 1500 RPM stall converter. Carefully assembled by father and son, the car has no rust and includes a high-performance camshaft, 850 CFM Edelbrock carburetor, and ported heads. With UMI suspension and performance upgrades throughout, this clean-titled Malibu is more than a cruiser. It's a beast. Comes with parts and documentation for serious gearheads. Number 4, 1976 Ford E150 Chateau Turtle Top Camper, $8,000, Haugan, Montana. A fantastic vintage van conversion, this 1976 Ford E150 Chateau includes a turtle top camper setup with a 351 Windsor engine, C6 transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 77,000 miles on the chassis, the interior is in great shape and includes a stove, fridge, sink, and fold-down sleeping arrangement. Surface rust and minor body damage are present, but it includes new tires, brakes, and cooling system parts. Perfect for van life enthusiasts or vintage camping fans, complete with an Outwell van tent. Number 5, 1975 Chevrolet El Camino SS, $10,000, Kansas City, Missouri. Finished in a bold yellow with a black vinyl top, this 1975 Chevrolet El Camino SS blends the style of a muscle car with the practicality of a pickup. It is presented in excellent condition and has a clean title. These mid-1970s El Caminos offer a unique American classic experience, and this one is sure to draw attention at shows or weekend cruises. A great value for collectors seeking something stylish, usable, yet usable. Number 6, 1973 Ford Torino Station Wagon, $3,500, Houston, Texas. A classic family hauler from the 1970s, this 1973 Ford Torino wagon is a good project with a rebuilt engine and transmission. While full details are limited, it is offered at a budget price and comes with a clean title. These wagons are gaining popularity among collectors who appreciate their long, low styling and practicality. A cool green paint job adds to the retro vibe. Number 7. 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Classic, $6,500, Houston, Texas. Stored for 15 years, this 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Classic is powered by a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, with a current reading of 51,000 miles. The engine runs, but the car is not currently drivable and needs considerable TLC. This is a restorer's dream, with potential to bring back a true mid-1970s American icon. Texas title and free delivery within 75 miles sweeten the deal. Number 8. 1960 Pontiac Ventura, $9,499, Whittier, California. This black 1960 Pontiac Ventura sedan features a rebuilt 400 cubic inch engine with performance components and a rebuilt turbo 400 transmission. Only driven 15 miles since its overhaul, the car boasts modern cooling, upgraded ignition, and a Hurst floor shifter. The odometer is broken, and while the body looks clean, it could use some finishing touches. A rare, powerful cruiser from Pontiac's golden era, ready to be enjoyed or completed. Number 9. 1965 Ford Ranch Wagon, $12,500, Old Colorado City, Colorado. This long-body 1965 Ford Ranch Wagon is a rare gem with updated interior and a strong running engine. Equipped with a new Edelbrock carburetor and smooth Cruise-O-Matic transmission, it blends classic style with drivability. The tailgate has the roll-down window and fold-down feature, and the wagon includes both Mustang wheels and Coker Classic white walls. A Colorado original with minimal rust and a lot of character, ideal for vintage road trips or family adventures. Number 10. 1978 Jeep CJ5 Renegade, $14,900, River Falls, Wisconsin. This 1978 Jeep CJ5 Renegade has only 50,928 original miles and has lived its life in California. It retains its original 4.2-liter inline-six engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in rare Loden green metallic with a tan interior, it has new tires, shocks, muffler, and comes with a soft top and soft doors. Power steering and brakes, tilt column, and a modern stereo enhance the experience. Some light rust is noted, but the frame is solid. This is a very desirable vintage off-roader. Number 11. 1970 Chevrolet Impala Custom Coupe, $15,000, Louisville, Kentucky. Heavily upgraded and rebuilt, this 1970 Chevrolet Impala Coupe features a 400 small block with aluminum heads, fast fuel injection, and 700 R4 transmission. The car also includes a new interior and aluminum radiator, showing only 2,000 miles since rebuild. A turnkey Restomod ready for weekend shows or modern driving, it delivers vintage full-size coupe comfort with modern performance and reliability. Number 12, 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria, $18,500, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1953 Ford Crestline Victoria has just received a full engine rebuild on its flathead V8, 0 miles since completion. The Mustang C4 automatic transmission is upgraded and new interior seats await their first occupant. Still needs minor work, fuel pump, driveshaft hookup, brakes, voltage regulator, but this is a nearly complete restoration with huge potential. A beautiful hardtop coupe from the early 50s, perfect for enthusiasts ready to finish and enjoy. Number 13, 1954 Studebaker Conestoga Wagon, $16,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This rare 1954 Studebaker Conestoga two-door wagon has been tastefully restomodded with a 318 V8 and automatic transmission from a 1976 Dodge Aspen. It features front disc brakes, torsion bar suspension, and power steering for modern drivability. The interior includes Subaru Forester seats and fresh mechanical work, such as new rear shocks, front ball joints, and a custom exhaust. A unique classic with timeless looks and upgraded performance, truly a standout station wagon.